So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to georeference a Google Earth image using QGIS, and without wasting time, let us dive into it. So the first thing that I need you to do is you go to your browser, then you type there Google Earth download for PC. So once you type Google Earth download for PC, you click on this Google Earth, then it will take you here. You can see you have Google Earth on web, Google Earth on mobile, and then Google Earth Pro on desktop. So you click on Google Earth on desktop, then it will take you to create maps with advanced tools. You can download Google Earth Pro on your desktop. Once you click on it, it will take you to this place. Then you can now click on here, accept. Then you can accept and download. So once you click on it, it will download immediately on your laptop. Then you can go to location where you downloaded your Google Earth. So it's on my download here. Then the next thing that you do is you right click on it, then you run it as administrator. So I've already downloaded mine and ran it run it as administrator. So the next thing that I want, once you run it, and it will appear or pop up on your screen like that. It will give you a shortcut like that. So what I want us to do is to download an image from this. Let me first of all do away with what I did here. So you delete the contents if you used it, so that I can show you afresh. So this is a Google Earth, and I'm going to download an image from here. So let's say, for example, you're a student and you're focusing your study on a certain area, and you want to download that image and georeference your image in your actual map. So what you do is you come here and you type your interested area. For example, I'll type here Nairobi, Kenya. Then once I click on it, I click search. So once I search, my Google Earth map will immediately take me to the place where I've searched. So you can see Nairobi, Kenya is here. Yeah, and now we can download high resolution maps from this place. So you can increase the resolution like that. Yeah, like that. Can increase it again. Can increase it again. Like that. My focus is in Nairobi. Yeah. So let's say, for example, I want to focus on, I did my study somewhere here. So I want to make sure that my area of focus is here. I want to download this image. So the next thing that I will do is to add the markers to this image. So I will add the markers on this image by add place mark. So I'll click on it. I will name as 1. Then I can change the type of the marker. Let's say, let me use this. So I will drag this. That's not the map. I will drag. Okay. I click OK first. Then I'll come back. Take this. Okay. Yeah. This, move it to this corner here. Then click OK. I'll go to the second one. Add marker. The second one. I will move this up here to this corner. Right there. Then place click OK. Now go to the third one. Also drag it to this corner. Now click OK. Then the last one is the fourth. I'll also drag it to this corner. Then click OK. So this is my main place that I want to focus on. So the next thing that I will do is I want now to download it. So I'll go to Files, then Save as Image. So I click Save Image. Once I click on Save Image, it will take me here. So I can remove the title, can remove the legend, I can remove the scale, the compass. Then on resolution, I'll put maximum, then save as image. So then I can select the place that I want to save the image on my desktop. So I will save it as image map. Image map. Image map like that. Then click save. So it takes time. So as a student, or maybe you're working on your project, remember Google Earth is a very nice platform or software that you can use to get your GPS or CRS coordinates without even taking something like a phone, carrying your phone to go and get the GPS or the latitude and longitude of the place where you did your research. Or maybe you went somewhere and you did your research and you forgot about the coordinates. Then you can use Google Earth to search for your specific place, and you can get it. It's a very nice software I recommend for the students. So we have already downloaded our image, but remember these points, they must be there. These are the points that are going to help us to georeference this image. So the next thing that I will do is you go to every point, you right click, then you save as. You will also take it to downloads, the first one, then the second one, do the same, save there, the third one, do the same, save there, the fourth one, do the same. Nice. Now we have downloaded our image and the 4 points, these ones. So we leave this, we log out, then you can launch your QGIS. Once you open your QGIS, it will look like this. So you can go to your computer, and then you can, let's say for example, I want to just add this map directly. I'll just drag it down here into the layer. Then it will appear here, the image will appear here. Then I want also to add the 4 points that I got that I did on my image there on Google Earth. So I can just go to direct layers, add layer, add vector layers, then select my 4 points, the ones that are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then click open, then add. We'll add the first one, the second, third, and fourth. Reset, then close. So I have my image here, but I want to make sure I georeference this image with the 4 points that I got. So what I will do is I will click on this, now bring this points here, then I will zoom in, can use this pan also to move this, zoom in your points until they are clear. Nice. So my points are here and they can be seen very well. So the next thing that I want to do is to make sure I label these points 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I will right click on the first one, go to properties, labels, click single labels. Then the value, you will put it as name, then apply, okay, click go here. The second one, do the same, go to labels, single labels, then apply, okay, second one will label there. The third one, the same, single labels, nice, apply, okay. Then the last one, single labels, okay. Then click on that, single labels, apply, okay. So I have named my 4 points, and then I want to georeference this image, these 4 points. So the next thing that I want to do is I'll go to raster, georeferencing, click on georeferencing, then it will give me this platform. So I'll go to that and import the image that I want to georeference, click OK. Then it will appear here. So the first thing that I want to do is go to this point or this place where I want to georeference my image. So I will click pan first of all to move this, then click on zoom out this point. I want to focus on this point. So here, so what I will do is I will come and click on add point, click on add point, click on this point, then you can set your coordinate as EPSG for 326 WGS 80, like that, it's okay. But now I want to get the east and the north coordinates from the canvas. So I will come and lay, this is the first one, number 1. And once I click on it, I'll click OK. So my point will appear here. Then I can zoom out. I use the pan to move my zoom out. Use the pan hand to move my map like that. So I will focus on number 2 here, zooming like this. This is the point I'm interested in, that is number 2. So the next thing I'll do is go to add point, come and click on it from canvas. This is number 2, click on it, okay. You do that for the next one too. So zoom out your map, use your pan to move number 3, zoom to number 3. Let me okay. There it is. It's fine. Move it here. Then I'll go to add point, this specific place from canvas. That is number 3. Okay. Then I'll also go to zoom it in. Sorry, zoom out like that. Then use your pan to move. This is the point I want to focus on. So we are remaining with number 4. Click on number 4 like that. Add point. Click on it. From canvas, come here, click on your canvas like that. Okay. So there it is. So then, nice. Now we have our map here. So let me first of all zoom it out so that it fits well. Zoom it out again. Okay, it fits very well in there. So I have this map. These are the 4 points I want to georeference. But before I georeference, I want to set my georeferencing information. So I will come here, transformation type, you leave it linear. Then resampling method, it is near the neighboring, so you leave it like that. The target is you select this code, this EPSG. You leave it like that. Then here you select save GCP points, then load in QGIS when done. So you click OK. So once you click OK, these are the places that you have georeferenced. So the next thing that I want us to do is to start georeferencing. Once you click on it like that, it starts to georeference. Then it finishes like that. You can close that. Then you can also close. So this is our map that we have georeferenced, the 4 points. So once I click on it like this, you can see the coordinates moving down here. So this is our image map modified. This is a map that we have georeferenced from Google Earth, and that is how simple it is, guys. If you found this video more informing and you're interested in knowing more tactics